Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Dollar falls on downbeat US initial jobless claims data analysis http ntvforex.com news ID 4557A8212022 018 am. The greenback paired intraday gains made in Asia and European morning and fell in New York to end the day lower on Thursday due to the release of downbeat US initial jobless claims data as well as weakness in US Treasury yields. NBSP Reuters reported U.S. initial claims for state unemployment benefits rose to a seasonally adjusted 1.106 million for the week ended August 15, from an upwardly revised 971,000 in the prior week, the Labor Department said on Thursday. Economists polled by Reuters had forecast 925,000 applications in the latest week. NBSP versus the Japanese yen. Although dollar briefly rose to session highs at 106.21 in Asian morning, price met renewed selling and later fell to 105.75 in New York afternoon on cross-buying in JPY as well as fall in U.S. Treasury yields before trading sideways. NBSP Although the single currency moved sideways in Asia and then rose to 1.1868 in European morning, price quickly fell to 1.1813 on cross-selling in euro before rebounding in tandem with cable to 1.1855 at New York Open but only to drop again to session lows of 1.1803. Later, the pair recovered to 1.1864 on USD's weakness and then swung broadly sideways. NBSP Reuters reported European Central Bank policymakers debated last month the extent of their flexibility in conducting emergency bond purchases as part of unprecedented efforts to revive the Eurozone economy, the accounts of their July meeting showed on Thursday. NBSP but the account of the meeting suggests some policymakers are not keen for another increase in the ECB's €1.35 trillion pandemic emergency purchase program PEP. NBSP The formulation in the accounts suggests that this was a minority view, however, with other members of the Governing Council backing a more liberal interpretation of flexibility given unprecedented uncertainty. NBSP The British pound went through a volatile session. Although cable dropped from 1.3119 in Australia to session lows of 1.3065 in European morning, the pair erased intraday losses and then rallied to 1.3149 on cross-buying in sterling before retreating to 1.3080 in New York morning. However, price then rose again to 1.3226 near New York closing on renewed USD's weakness. NBSP data to be released on Friday. NBSP Australia Manufacturing PMI, Services PMI, UK GFK Consumer Confidence, PSNB, PSNCR, Retail Sales ex-fuel, Market Manufacturing PMI, Market Services PMI, CBI Trends Orders, Japan Core Nationwide CPI, Japan Bank Manufacturing PMI, France Market Manufacturing PMI, Market Services PMI, Germany Market Manufacturing PMI, Market Services PMI, EU Market Manufacturing PMI, Market Services PMI, Consumer Confidence, Canada Retail Sales ex-autos, New Housing Price Index, and U.S. Market Manufacturing PMI, Market Services PMI, Existing Home Sales. NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.